Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today. As you can see here, very basic, very thin box. This is actually a multi-pack of XT90 connectors. What you're able to do, if you order these, is you can make your own custom connections. You can make a Y adapter, you can make custom connections on your batteries, or you can convert, say, from XT90 to XT60, or any other type of connections that you might need. Sometimes you can buy batteries that don't actually come with ends on them, and this way, if you have these, you can simply solder ends directly to whatever type of battery you have. So you do have obviously the solder points right here, then you have these shrouds that can go over it, protect that cable. I will likely do some heat shrink here on that as well. And we should have, in this multi-pack, we have both of the types of connections, so you can then make a connection both male and female side. My name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.